Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to work out before school. First, let's plan your morning routine effectively. Consider how much time you have. Even a quick 20-minute session can be beneficial. Lay out your workout clothes and any equipment the night before. This simple step eliminates morning decisions and helps you get started faster. A well-planned routine makes early workouts much more achievable and less stressful, setting a positive tone for your entire day. Before you jump into your main workout, a proper warm-up is crucial. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes on dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings to get your blood flowing and prevent injury. Hydration is also key. Drink at least 8 ounces of water as soon as you wake up. This helps kickstart your metabolism and energizes your body for the exercise ahead. Remember, a well-prepared body performs better and recovers faster. For an effective preschool workout, focus on exercises that engage multiple muscle groups. Bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups are excellent choices and require no equipment. You can also incorporate short bursts of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, to maximize your time and elevate your heart rate quickly. Aim for a balanced routine that includes both strength and cardiovascular elements, ensuring a comprehensive workout in a limited time frame. After your workout, don't forget to cool down. Spend 5 to 10 minutes stretching your major muscle groups to improve flexibility and aid recovery. Following your exercise, refuel your body with a nutritious breakfast. Include protein and complex carbohydrates to replenish energy stores and support muscle repair. Finally, ensure you're getting adequate sleep, ideally 7 to 9 hours each night, as this is vital for recovery and overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.